You might have 99 things you want to do when your wife is not at home. One such thing is HVAC, outdoor unit cleaning. Cleaning your HVAC outdoor unit, that's the condenser unit, it's an essential maintenance task that improves efficiency. I don't know what is efficiency, but that's what I was told. And let's see how we can do that things. It is better to do the cleanup once in 6 months or maybe a year. All you need is a kind of a screwdriver or a wrench and a garden hose and a coil cleaner. Once you shut off the power and start removing the top panel by removing all the screws at the top, then once you remove the cover, slowly slide out the fan and keep it in a good position so that it does not fall off. Obviously, you want to save little money, but don't mess up by damaging the fan. So make sure you keep that fan in a good position. And start applying that coil cleaner spray. Just keep on spraying uniformly in turn on the fins. That will the foam should be there at least for about 10 to 15 minutes. So keep it there, and that will help you to remove all the dirt. And make sure there is no large debris like leaves or any other things inside. So maybe before you foam it or start spraying applying the coil cleaner, you might want to even inspect. Another useful tip is while you are doing the spray, make sure that you wear a small safety glass. You don't get anything into your eyes. So again, you want to save bugs but not spoil your eyes. And once it is soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes, and using the hardened hose, start spraying the water. But don't put it onto 90 degree, rather just in a sideways start applying water so that it does clean up all the spray as well as any other dirt, this kind of soap. Yeah, keep on applying the water inside, and again don't apply very directly, so just keep on spraying or applying the water inside for another 10 minutes, and once the water spraying is over, and let it dry for another 10 minutes. Yeah, once it is all dried out, put back the top cover and put on all the screws, tighten the screws, then make sure to turn on the filter. Yeah, whenever you do the outdoor unit cleaning, that is the same time you can also replace the air filters which stays inside the unit. Just identify the size of the filter and get a replacement filter based on the size and what do you call the filter capacity. The price varies, so once in 6 months try to replace the filters. Yeah, remove the old filter first and then insert the new filter, and try to put in a date for your own tracking purpose, so in that way you know when it is due for replacement.